Hello my friends, welcome back. So today we are repairing a pair of shorts. So this is what they look like. So the texture is very smooth. They actually have a pocket inside here. So there's a pocket there, there's a pocket on the other side. So you have internal pocket. Let's see here. You also have a pocket on the left side and a pocket on the right side as well. Let's go ahead and put them on. All right, guys, here we go. Let's set this up. So as I put them on, I noticed there's also another pocket here. So you have two pockets. This one is zippered. Only one pocket on this side. So they are comfortable, good for exercising. So that's I think the purpose of these are like running and exercising in them, different events like that. There is a mesh inside as well. Yeah, they fit good, so order the correct size you normally would.